can't really hear me on the sides here at all, but you can hear me right here. This one's up close and personal, so if I'm going to be using this like a handheld microphone, this is going to be the setting I'm probably going to be using with it. But, oh, no, bottom blue. Bottom blue, here we go, bottom blue. Check that one out. Here you go. If you're going to be doing something like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hello, this one's got more sound all around. All right, so sometimes if you just put it up in the air, this one can sound like that. Whoa.